Callieandjordansquad Squad, and today I'm going to be opening up a canned black bear, and I also
Is it a baby bear? Is it a baby black bear?
Is it meat?
Whoa. I was thinking like an actual baby bear.
Yeah, well, gotta fit in that can. I mean, like...
A baby bear, maybe.
How would they put it in there?
I don't know.
Anyways, also I have some jewelry that I can show with you.
Alright, so this is a woodland inspiration in Inukachuk. When you need to be home, may you always find your way. Alright, let's take a look at it. Where is it?
Right here. I'm gonna see it with my colorful.
So there it is.
Or comforter.
Let me just grab it. So Callie's aunt went to on a vacation to Whistler, BC, and took a cruise to Alaska, and she was able to get Callie a whole whack of things. Holy mackerel, Callie! Is that enough popcorn? All right. So
my nanny got this, and we're kind of like containing that because we already opened it.
Yeah, we're going to contain it, and hopefully nothing pops out.
Yeah, as you can see,
so
we try to like put it in there so there's like hair.
So it's a black bear, and it says, "Open only with adult supervision. Beware." Uh-oh. It says, "Caution. These bears have been known to lie in wait under your covers and snuggle you to sleep. It's a limited edition, 1 of 8 or 9 million." All right, so they're canned in Canada. Contents: 1 fuzzy black bear. Oh, is it a real black bear? Black bear facts. So the black bear is the most plentiful of all bears in North America. Their habitat consists principally... What is that? What's going on here? She thought I was reading this. Their habitat consists principally of wooded areas where they eat roots, berries, and honey, as well as worms. You like worms? Insects, fish, and small mammals. Most bears are solitary, as adult bears are usually seen together only at mating times. The female bear gives birth to a family of 1 to 4 cubs in her winter den. The cubs weigh less than 1 pound, are blind, and are totally dependent upon their mother. They are protected, fed, and trained by their mother for a period of up to 3 years. Black bears are excellent climbers and curious by nature. So the term black bear doesn't necessarily mean that the bear is black in color. Among the species are also found the cinnamon bear, the blue glacier bear, and the cream-colored Kermode bear. Their range consists of all of North America, particularly in national parks. They are an important symbol of our heritage of untouched wilderness and nature itself. It is essential that we preserve the black bear's habitat, as they can't live without wooded areas, fresh water streams, and an abundance of wildlife. Our future is tied to the future of the black bear. Remember, if you see any bears in the wild, do not go near them. Treat them with respect and be careful. All right, so also what I wanted to share. So it's canned critters. So it's www.cannedcritters.com if you're interested. I think they do canned beavers. They do canned huskies. They do canned everything. All right, so open it up. And, there's the bear. Oh, it's not real. Oops.
Look, I can be a bear too.
Yes, you can. All right, so that is the black bear. So beware. Let's take a look at the black bear. There she is. Again, You can find them at Canned Critters. Okay, I think that's... All right, let's see. Let's take a look at the other piece of jewelry that you got.
This is from my nanny. So first off, I got this. It's a bear, I think.
Can I see?
It's so small, I can't tell. Oh, let's see what these guys.
So, there it is.
And then I got this. These two.
Ah, cool. So there's like a moose and like a wolf. Is that like a wolf?
Let me see.
Like a baby wolf?
Yeah.
And...
I thought it was a fox, but...
Oh, it might be a fox. I don't know. Like a baby fox.
And then...
And a necklace.
I don't have my ears pierced quite yet, but I really want to get them. So
Yeah, you've been wanting to get them for a little bit now.
So I got these. And I also got some more earrings. It's funny because I don't have my ears pierced, but I have earrings. I have 3 pairs.
Oh, look at that. She has... Look how many earrings she has. And she doesn't even have her ears pierced yet.
Well, I used to, but then...
She cried.
a long story happened.
So it looks like it's a ring. So this is a ring. Right, Callie?
Well,
This is a ring. And these are the earrings.
Yeah.
Right. All right.
Also, all of them have like these really pretty gems on them, which I really like.
Oh, do that again. There we go. All right. So that is our adventures with the black bear.
By the way, I want to name the bear Barry.
Barry the bear.
Barry the bear.
It's gonna be Barry the bear. B-E-R-R-I-E. Or no, B-E-R-R-Y for Barry.
Wait, I want to do something. So he's gonna be like a little cute. Ta-da! Like the new look.
There's Barry the bear.
It's gonna be the new trend. Get yourself in a can, a big large can, and then put this on your head.
All right. So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
I want popcorn.
Comment down below if you like the fallen canned black bear.
I thought you're so
Hit that notification button. Smash that thumbs up button. Share with your family and friends. Until next time.
popcorn.
Peace out.